Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to edit ClickUp template. So first thing that you will do, guys, is simply go to your ClickUp spaces. And now in order for you to create a template, just simply go ahead and select this plus icon over here and click on it. And after that, you will have here from template. So click on this one. And after that, you will have multiple template type over here on the left side of the screen. So let's say I'm going to filter it out into list. So from here, let's say the list will be content. And after that, just simply go ahead and select the template that you like to add. So let's say I'm going to go for this one and go for quick use over here. And after that, you should be able to have that template and just simply wait for it to load up, as you can see on the left side of the screen over here. And once it is done, from here you should be able to edit your template. You can just simply click on it, and after that you will have here the name of the task. And if we scroll down, we should be able to have here the custom fields that we have, and you can just simply change it based on your own personal preferences. And when you close it, from here you can change the name as well over here. You can just simply double click on it, or you can just simply click on the three dots over here and you can click on edit status, and you should be able to edit it over here. Now another one, if you want to change the view, you can just simply click on this one, and it will be just the same task, but it will be on different visual. So pretty much this will be depending on you on how do you want it to look. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.